Tony Sklar with BNet TV. We are here at the CCA convention in Las Vegas for 2013. I'm having the pleasure of speaking with Mr. Kurt Burkhardt of Cell Phone Mate. How are you today, sir?
I'm doing very well, Tony. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Listen, always good to talk to somebody from Cell Phone Mate. But for all the people out there in BNet TV land, give me a brief overview of Cell Phone Mate and what you're doing here at the CCA.
All right. Well, Cell Phone Mate makes cell phone amplification products. They're for in-building use, primarily mobile and other applications as well. But we're pretty much an industry leader in 4G technology and rolling out a lot of new products for 4G cell phone use, in-building, in-home, mobile, boats even.
So are we talking about small cells? Or are we talking about macro? I mean, obviously not a macro cell on a boat because that's going to look funny. But, is that what we're looking at?
Well, it's a version of that. They're basically an amplifier like a stereo amplifier you'd find in a house. So basically it just absorbs the signal out of the air using a donor antenna outside a building and amplifies it so that you have signal inside the building. It's like a mini DAS in a sense, but really about a fraction of the cost of DAS solutions and a little simpler.
So let's talk about that market space as a whole. Without mentioning particular companies that have had a chance to crack at that market, maybe not have had certain success, but the femto arena as a whole had some challenges. Small cell clearly has taken the lead in particular areas, but there still seems to be some hesitation within the home product when it comes to amplifying a cell signal.
Right. I think the challenges are the femto products and microcells are VoIP or internet-based related. There's a little bit of a difficulty with the transition or handshake with calls as people come and go from the building itself. So our products actually allow for that transition of calls as people come and go from buildings. It stays with the tower. It doesn't change any of that. So it's a little more flexible, and they handle multitudes of calls.
So tell me a little bit about the secret sauce and the handoff.
Well, honestly, I probably couldn't tell you how that works other than it's really, our system isn't actually doing anything with the signal, but giving it greater amplitude. So it's still connected uplink and downlink with the tower as it normally would.
Tell me what you're doing here at the CCA.
Well, we want to befriend the carriers. It's been a little bit of a rocky relationship between amplifiers like ours and others in the marketplace and the carriers over the years. But with the advent of technologies such as auto shutdown and other features and the new FCC requirements, of course, we feel like we are, and we believe the FCC mandated that these kind of products, signal boosters and amplifiers, are a part of the wireless infrastructure going forward. We want to make ourselves known to the CCA community. We want to make ourselves available and become part of the landscape a little bit.
So if this is your first CCA, give me a little bit of some first-hand impressions on what you think so far.
Well, it's actually our second. We came last year, and we get the feeling that we know that by our involvement in the golf tournament and some of that, it's a very tight-knit community. We don't want to land ourselves out there. We just want to start sort of becoming visible and part of the landscape, like I said, and just cracking in. So I think it's a very, very tight community in general, and we think that they're putting on a really good show, and it's all good.
Steve Barry and his crew definitely always put on a fantastic show. The CCA has grown tremendously, leaps and bounds, and they're also doing some fantastic things with the FCC policy and management and control measures, so I can appreciate that. Finally, for all our viewers out there in BNet TV, they'll give me a little bit of what we're going to see from Cell Phone Mate within the next 12 months.
Well, the first thing we're doing is re-engineering all of our products to meet the FCC guidelines. We've already got some products in the lab, should be coming out in the next couple of weeks with our first of the new product. I think the most exciting developments will be along the lines of our very popular in-building product, the Force 5, which is the first real 5-band, one-stop shop for amplification. It's good for large buildings down to most commercial structures. So there will be some changes and some modifications with those products and make them a more virtual product. In other words, it might be more monitorable and a little bit more DAS-like in those regards. We're also attempting looking at other features in terms of public safety in other areas too, and some more additions in our 4G line. We've got these hybrid sort of dual band amplifiers with specific 4G reference for specific carriers.
It's been fantastic speaking with you. I hope we get a chance for an update again in the future. It sounds like Cell Phone Mate is clearly well positioned within the ecosystem to gain some good critical mass.
We think so, and we're real proud to be this opportunity here.
Fantastic, thank you. Thank you. I've been speaking with Mr. Kurt Burkhardt of Cell Phone Mate here at the CCA convention in Las Vegas for 2013. I'm Tony Sklar with BNet TV.